Hello. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale Synapse Carbon Disc Tiagra Flatbar 2020 model year. A road bike that's light, stiff, fast and surprisingly comfortable. Your rides will go longer. You'll barely notice. This bike equipped with a BallisTec Carbon frame and reliable fork BallisTec Carbon. And Shimano Tiagra GS high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as Shimano UR300 Hydro Disc. Cannondale Synapse Carbon Disc Tiagra Flatbar equipped with good tires Vittoria Zaffiro Pro Bright Black. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.